Howdy folks, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It is great seeing you today, and it is September, which means I need to celebrate the apple. All this month I'm going to be making apple dishes. Well, this weekend we decided we're going to do some canning. We're going to make our own salsa, but we're also going to make some apple butter too to can. As you saw in last episode, I made an apple butter pie. So delicious. Well, I need some new apple butter to store in my cabinets. So today, I'm going to be making apple butter in the slow cooker. So grab your slow cookers and let's start cooking, because I'm making a slow cooker caramel apple butter using all these apples. Core those apples. Cut your apple into some small cubes, and we're going to put those right into the slow cooker. For my spices, I need 1 cup of brown sugar added to the pot, as well as 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of allspice, and just a shake of salt. And now I'm just going to cover it and cook it on high for about 3 to 5 hours, letting those apples soften. You're probably wondering, what about the caramel part of the caramel apples? You just wait. It's been about 4 hours and very soft. Grab that immersion blender. I'm ready to go in. Next, I'm grabbing some caramels right here. I've unwrapped them and I'm going to microwave them for about 30 seconds until melted. Okay, I'm going to put that caramel in there, mix it up a little bit, then I'm going to cook it for an additional hour and a half. Grab your Instapot. It's time to sterilize some jars. It is all done and ready to be put into the jars. I'm just going to fill that jar up towards the top. And then it's time for processing. And now I process the jars for 10 minutes. It's all done. There they are. We got 4 for the cupboards. That is kind of sad, but thank goodness we got an extra one here to keep in the refrigerator for eating right now. And speaking of eating, I'm ready to have a sample of this caramel apple butter. Let's see. Oh, very apple smelling. It is apple-y, but the caramel really shows through. It's a very sweet, caramely apple butter. I love it. I'm so happy to try this new apple butter this year. Very special. You can make this too at your house. It's not too hard to can. Give it a try. Why did the apple cry? Its peelings were hurt.